Good morning, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to understand about pronoun. Pronoun worksheet we are going to do. So, in the last class, I felt that you are unable to detect that, which is subjective case pronoun, which is objective case pronoun, which is possessive case pronoun. So, this thing I want to make you understand with some exercise, right? So, in your previous class, I told you our personal pronouns are divided into three parts. One is first person, then second person, then third person. Right? Mean all the personal pronouns are divided into three parts: first person, second person, and third person. If we need to write any pronoun regarding the speaker, so we should write first person pronoun. Okay. So this is the table of first person pronoun, right? I, we, me, us, my, mine, our, ours. So these are the first person pronoun. But in this, my and our, these are the adjectives. My, let me take the marker here. This word my and ours. These two words are adjective here, rest of words are here. First person pronoun, right? And these are subjective case and objective case and possessive case. Now we will understand what are the subjective case, what are the objective case, and what are the possessive case. Just observe these examples. You will find that, like, I know Professor Sinha. So you will notice that in this I have written I here. You know that's I is subjective case. You can see here this I is subjective case. So whenever we have to write in as a subject, so we need to write as a subjective case, right? I know Professor Sinha. But see the second example also. We know Professor Sinha means before the verb. This is a verb, and before the verb, if you write any pronoun, that is called subjective case or nominative case pronoun. Okay, so these are the subjective case pronoun, right? These two words are the subjective case pronoun, right? So whenever we have to write before the verb, so we need to write the subjective case pronoun, means nominative case pronoun. But see the third example. Professor Sinha knows me. So I have written here objective case pronoun because this is the verb, and after the verb we have to write the pronoun in the objective case, so it is objective case pronoun, right? So both the meaning means like I and me, both the words are giving the same meaning, but I is subjective case pronoun and me is objective case pronoun. These two words are objective case pronouns, right? Next, Professor Sinha knows us. Us is also objective case pronoun, right? But these words like mine and ours, these two words are called possessive case pronoun. So whenever we have to show the possession, so then we have to use mine or ours for the first person, right? For singular, we should use mine, and for plural, we should use ours. The car he is traveling, sorry, the car he is traveling is mine. So by this mine word, I'm showing the possession of I, right? So see the sixth example. The car he is traveling is ours. So by the ours word, I'm showing the possession of us, right? So that's why we can say that these two words are called possessive case pronoun, right? I think now everything is clear. Now let's talk about the next. So let's talk about the second person pronoun. You is second person. You can be used as a singular also and as a plural also. It is subjective case also. It's objective case also. But when we talk about possessive case, so your, this word is adjective, right? This word is adjective here. I have written here a, but this word is here pronoun yours, because after your means after the adjective we have to write the name, right? So let's understand the use of second person pronoun. Observe these sentences, right? So you can be used as a subject also, as a object also, right? Like you can see, you are laying Rina. So after the verb we have written, means like before the verb we have written, that is subjective case, right? Means we can say nominative case. Clear? But see in this example, you we have written after the verb. Shall punish is a verb, and after that we have written you. So we can understand when we talk about second person. So in subjective case and in objective case, we can write the you. But see this example. Is this pen yours? Is this pen yours? So this yours show the possession, right? So that's why that's a possessive case pronoun, right? Okay. Same examples are written here. Clear? You are laying children, so you can be used for singular also and for plural also. I shall punish you all. So here also objective case you we have used, right? But for the plural, right? So simply we can understand you is subjective case also, objective case also, singular also, plural also, right? But in possessive case we have to write yours. Clear? Next slide. See this. That's the third person pronoun. He, she, it. He, she, it. These are nominative case pronoun, right? And they is also nominative case pronoun. He, she, it, third person singular. We use them for the masculine gender and for the feminine gender. And they is our plural word. In the same way, him, her, it. These are the objective case. And them is also objective case, but that is used for plural nouns. Then his, her, hers, its. These are the possessive case. Okay, and there and there's also possessive case, but that is used for plural noun, right? With some examples, we can understand this point. You will notice that. So I have written here, he is Mr. Tiwari. I have written here he. Why not him? Because I need to write it as a subjective case. Before the verb, if you write any pronoun, that is subjective case. But see here I have written him. Why not he? Because I need to write an objective case pronoun. Clear? After the verb I need to write objective case, and before the verb we need to write subjective case. He and him both are the same, giving means both are the same words, both both give the same meaning, right? This is not a pronoun, this is adjective, because after that we have mentioned the name, right? But in this sentence, the book I am reading is his. So this is possessive pronoun, right, of he word. Clear? Next, it is my brother's bicycle. So you can see that it is subjective case pronoun also, and it is possessive case pronoun also. Sorry, objective case pronoun also, right? One thing more, dear student, I want to make you understand that whenever we write any preposition, own is a preposition. So after the preposition, if we need to write pronoun, so we need to write the pronoun in the objective case. Clear? See this, they we have written here, they. Why they? Because are is a verb, and before the verb we need to write subjective case. But here we have written them. They and them both are giving the same meaning, but difference is that that is subjective case pronoun, that is objective case pronoun. After the verb we have to write the objective case pronoun, before the verb we have to write the subjective case pronoun, and there's that's a possessive case pronoun. Now see this example, she we have written here before the verb because that's subjective case, here that's a objective case, and hers is possessive pronouns of a she, right? So in this way we have to fill the pronoun, right? Now with this exercise we will understand about subjective and objective. So fill in the blank with I and me. So you have two options, I and me. So you have to like see that which pronoun will be suitable there. Okay, our first example is that mom helped I or me. Which pronoun will come? You have two options. Please raise your hand. Dear students, please raise your hand. Then I will give you the option. Then you can tell me the answer. Okay. Again, I read the sentence. Mom helped I or me. Which pronoun will come here? Please raise your hand. Let me do some setting. Please wait. Let me extend this box. Please wait. Okay. Harshita, you please tell me which pronoun will come here. Harshita, you please tell me. Harshita, can you tell? Harshita, please don't raise your hand if you do not want to give the answer. Okay, please down your hand. Shreya, please you tell me. Shreya, can you tell me which pronoun will come here? I or me? Two options.
Me.
Me. Why me? Why not? बेटा श्रेया बताओगे कि I क्यों नहीं आएगा, me क्यों आएगा?
क्योंकि I हमेशा फर्स्ट में ही आता है.
Means subjective case है और me क्या है? Objective case है. Okay, very good. You have given the right answer. So me will come here. Mom helped me. Very good, right answer. Next. I or me really want that chocolate cake. So who will tell me? Aradhya, you please tell me. What can come there? I or me?
Sir, I.
I. Why not me? बेटा me क्यों नहीं आएगा?
क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्टिव केस है.
क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्ट की तरह हमें यूज करना है. सब्जेक्टिव केस है. वेरी गुड, राइट आंसर विद गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन. So I will come there. Next, everyone is happy for I or me. Which pronoun will come? Everyone is happy for I or me. Tanisha, you please tell me. Tanisha, can you tell me? Me will come. Okay, very good. So dear students, it's also rule whenever we mention any preposition. So this word is preposition. Remember this: for, to, at, on, in. These all the words are called the preposition. If we need to write any pronoun after the preposition, so we need to write that pronoun in the objective case because that is the object of that preposition, right? That's why me is right here. Clear? Next. When I or me get home, I'm going to bed. So which pronoun will come here? Harpreet, you please tell me. Harpreet, please tell me which pronoun will come here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, which pronoun will come here? Try to give the answer. Very good.
I.
I will come. Very good, right answer. When I get home, because get is a verb, and before the verb we need to write the nominative case pronoun, means subjective case pronoun. Very good, right answer. Next, is that present for I or me? Is that present for I or me? Which is right here? Yashvi, you please tell me. Yashvi, please you tell me which pronoun will come here. Yashvi, you are not audible. Please tell me which pronoun. Me or I? I think she's saying me. Okay, yes, right answer. So me will come. So reason of me is coming here is that's for is a preposition, and after the preposition we have to write the pronoun in the objective case. That's why me will come here, right? So I think everything is clear regarding the I and me. Now let's do the exercise regarding we or us. So we have two options, we or us. So which option will come in the given fill-ups? So read first sentence. She can't come with us or we today. She can't come with us or we today. So which pronoun will come? Rihanna, you please tell me. Rihanna, please tell me which pronoun will come here.
Sir, us.
Us. Yes, very good. Right answer. Us will come here because I have told you after the preposition, with is also a preposition. So after the preposition, we need to write objective case pronoun. That's why us will come here, not we. Right? Good answer. Next is that come on in and tell us the news or we the news. Which pronoun will come here? Who will let me know? Kanishk, you please tell me. Kanishk, you tell me please which pronoun will come here.
Sir, me.
But we have two options, we and us. These two options we have. Okay, so out of these two options, you need to tell me one, we or us. Kanishk, Kanishk, can you tell
Sir,
me? Okay, I tell you if you can't tell. So here us will come. Why us will come? Because you know that tell is a verb. So verb is given there. So after the verb, we need to write the objective case pronoun. That's why us will come, because us is objective case pronoun and we is subjective case pronoun. Right? Next sentence. I know where we can go or us can go. I know where we can go or us can go. Which pronoun will come here? Who will let me know? Aditya, you please tell me. Aditya, please tell me which pronoun will come here. Aditya, please mute yourself, unmute yourself.
sir, we can go.
Yes, we can go because can go is a verb here. So that's why we need to write the subjective case pronoun. That's why we will come here. Good, very good, right answer. Dear students, after giving the answer, please mute yourself. Next, dad is coming with to buy school supplies. Dad is coming with us or with we to buy school supplies. So which pronoun will come here? Who will let me know? Who will try? Prakashal, you please tell me.
Yes,
Yes, please tell me which pronoun will come here.
sir, us.
Us, very good. So us will come here because with is a preposition, and I have told you after the preposition we need to write the pronoun in objective case. Very good, right answer. Next is that. Next we need to do regarding fill in the blanks with she and her. So she is subjective case pronoun and her is objective case pronoun. So you need to tell me which pronoun will come here. Okay. So read first sentence. Harry wrote a love poem for her or for she. Which pronoun will come there? Jivansh, please you tell me. Jivansh, Dhiman. But you tell me which pronoun will come here.
Yes, sir.
Which pronoun will come here? Can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Harry wrote a love poem.
Good, better try, please. We have two options, she and her. She and her, we have two options.
Sir, she.
She. Okay. You have tried very well, but beta here her will come. Why her? Because I have told you after the preposition we need to write the objective case pronoun. So for is a preposition, that's why we need to write her here, because her is objective case pronoun. Right? Next, she or her went to the movies with me. She or her went to the movies with me. So which pronoun will come here? Ria, you please tell me. Ria, you please tell me
Yes, sir.
which pronoun will come here.
She.
Huh? She. Okay, very good. Right answer. She will come here because there is a need of a subject. That's why we need to write here she, not her. She went to the movies with me. Okay. So here also you can see that with is written here with this preposition, and after that you can notice that we have written me here because me is objective case pronoun. Okay. So next sentence. Diksha, please stop the video. Sneha had a headache, so she took the medicine or her took the medicine. So which pronoun will come here? Who will let me know? Shorya, you please tell me
Yes, sir.
which pronoun will come here? She or her?
Sir, sir, screen नहीं share हो रही.
Screen, can't you see that?
No, sir.
I think that's a problem from your end, but from my end, everything is fine. Okay, let me ask from another one. Harshita, you please tell me. Harshita, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell which pronoun will come here? She or her?
Her.
Her. Okay, you have tried very well. But beta, she will come here because took is a verb. So before the verb, we need to mention the subjective case. Okay, and she is subjective case and her is objective case pronoun. That's why she will come here. Next, Shreya, please stop the video. Shreya, please stop the video. Have you told she or her the good news? Have you told she or her the good news? Who will let me know? Bhavesh, you please tell me. Bhavesh, you please tell me which pronoun will come here.
Yes, sir.
Which pronoun will come here?
Sir, her.
Her. Have you told her the good news? Because told is a verb, and after the verb, we need to mention objective case pronoun. That's why her is right here. Okay, next sentence. The book was very enjoyable to her or she. The book was very enjoyable to her or she. Diksha, you please tell me
Yes, sir.
which pronoun will come here, she or her? Hmm.
Sir, she.
Okay, you have tried well, but answer is her because to is a preposition, and after the preposition, we need to mention objective case. Okay, so her is right answer here. Next exercise, fill in the blanks with he or him. So two options you have, he and him. So you need to let me know which pronoun will come here. Read the first sentence. Ravi's sister refused to give he or him the paper. Which pronoun will come here? Please tell me. Shivakshi, please you tell me. Shivakshi, you please tell me
Yes, sir.
which pronoun will come here, he or him. He is subjective
Him.
case. Yeah, him will come because there is a need of an objective case pronoun. That's why him will come here. Very good, right answer you have given. Now please stop the video. Next, when fell out of the tree, he broke his arm. When he or him fell out of the tree, he broke his arm. So which pronoun will come here? Aradhya, you please tell me.
When. Sir,
He,
she.
but the option we have only two, he or him.
Me
These,
or him.
this two,
Sir, he.
he will come because he is subjective case. Yes, very good. And we need to write here subjective case because fell out, that's a verb, and before the verb we need to write here subjective case. That's why he will come. Good, right answer. Next, did Sam tell you why he or him did not come to the party? So which pronoun will come here, he or him? Again I tell you, he is subjective case, means nominative case, and him is here objective case. So which pronoun will come here? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Yashvi, you please tell me. Yashvi, please tell me.
Sir.
Sorry, Yashvi, I did not get your answer.
Yes, sir.
Which pronoun will come?
Sir, he.
Yeah, he will come because there is a need of a subjective case pronoun. That's why he will come. Good, right answer. Next, please stop the video, please. Yashvi, yes, very good. Ask Rahul what we should bring back for him or he. Which pronoun we should fill here? So who will let me know? Rihanna, you please tell me. Rihanna,
Sir,
you please
him.
tell. Yeah, him will come here. Very good, right answer, because we know that preposition is given there. So for is a preposition, and after the preposition, we need to write the objective case pronoun. It's very good, right answer. So in this exercise, you have to fill they or them. Two options you have. Either you have to fill they or them. They is subjective case and them is objective case. Remember this, they is subjective case and them is objective case. So our first sentence is that everybody knows them or they spilled the beans. That's a little complicated. Okay, I will not ask the answer of this question because that's a little complicated. So I tell you here. So them will not come here by mistake. It was written they will come here because we need a subject of this part, right? Of this part subject we need that. That's why they will come here. Okay, them will not come. It was written by mistake. Okay, so they will come here. Clear? Next sentence. If the apples are not ripe, don't buy they or them. Which pronoun will come? Who will let me know? Prakashal, you please tell me. Beta, yes, please you tell me which pronoun will come here. Okay,
Sir,
sorry.
sir, him.
The two option we have, they or them. We don't have the him option. These two option we have.
Sir, them.
Them will come. Yes, very good. Because by is a verb, and after the verb, we need to write the objective case. So them will come here, right? Take off your shoes and put they in the closet or them in the closet. So which pronoun will come here? Who will let me know? Shivakshi, you please tell me. Shivakshi, you please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me which pronoun will come here, they or them. Okay, I tell you, I think you don't know. So them will come here because put is a verb, and after the verb, we need to write an objective case, right? So I think you must have understood about how to write subjective case pronoun and how to write the objective case pronoun. Okay. So dear students, if you have any doubt regarding today's class, please come forward, raise your hand,